Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gobbledycook. If there is one dish that is fundamental to the identity of West Bengal, it is perhaps the Alu Posto. Consisting primarily of potatoes cooked in a poppy seed paste with a secondary ingredient such as a pointed gourd or a rich gourd thrown in, this is the ultimate comfort food for a bong. In fact, this dish is so ingrained in our meals and in our psyche that we probably don't even stop to think where it originated from. Did you know that it was perhaps a battle and sheer chance that paved the way for the Alu Posto to become a brand ambassador of our gastronomic culture? If you're interested to know more, join me on the other side of the music. Posto or poppy seeds, which are actually the seeds of the opium plant, were not as such unknown to the ancient Indians. In fact, this plant finds mention as a medicinal herb in the ancient medical text of the Dhanvantri Nighantu. Later, poppy seeds found their way into the Mughal kitchens as a thickener for curries. But the chapter for Posto might just have ended there had it not been for the British. Soon after the Battle of Polashi in 1757, when the British dethroned the last Nawab of Bengal and set their base in Bengal, they happened to come across the huge opium trade market in the neighboring country of China. Lured by the profit-making potential of opium, the British almost overnight transformed the lush green fields of Bengal into rolling tracts of crimson poppy flower fields. Huge volumes of poppy seeds used to be left behind as a waste product of the opium producing process. And it is said that deprived of the usual vegetables and grains that fed her family, a farmer's wife turned to the poppy seeds to see if a meal could be salvaged from it. She found that when combined with some pungent mustard oil, Posto delightfully enhanced the flavor of her staple diet of panta bhat or fermented rice and boiled potatoes. Thus was born a dish, or more correctly, an eternal relationship of love between the Bengali and his Posto. The Posto not just pleased the palate, but it was also very soothing to the stomach in the intense summer heat of Bengal. In fact, who knows? Maybe the soporific effect of the poppy seeds became the catalyst for the bhat khum, or the traditional afternoon siesta that Bengalis are known for. Which reminds me, it's lunchtime. And before I start yawning, let's make some aloo posto with jhinge or rich gourd.